Instagram post archive option not showing. In this video, I'll show you how to get Instagram post archive option. So let's see the step. First of all, open Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Click on three-line icon. Now click on archive option. And here you can see stories archive option, but post archive option not showing. So let's see how to get it. Go back. Now click on your activity. Now click on archived. Now click on story archive. Here you can see three options. Just click on post archive, and here you can see archive post. Just select post to unarchive. Now click on three dot icon, and here you can see show on profile. Just click on it. Now click on show on profile. By this way you can easily get post archive option. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.